This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat to one of the most unusual places in Rouen, the Saint-Maclou cemetery. This gallery cemetery dates from the start of the Black Plague in Normandy, in 1348. Come with me and let's enter this old mass grave. Before you, there is a passage, and it is in this passage that I want to show you something unusual. Head to the other end of the passage, which offers an exit door, and 3/4 of the way there, stop and look up. Do you see a white square, located on your left, just above the wall? Well, before 1890, this passage was not blocked and it was used to pass the conduits connected to the wood stoves installed on the first floor. But why were there wood stoves in a cemetery? Quite simply because from 1661 and until 1890, the year the passage closed, a school for the poor boys of the parish was established. School which will be joined a few years later by a girls' school. Now that you know this story, I invite you to wander through this cemetery in search of other unusual stories.